Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to move this app button from your dock bar on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So you don't like where your app drawer button is, and unfortunately, you cannot really move it. But don't worry, there is a small tweak which basically lets you move this app drawer icon onto your home screen so you can maybe hide it in one of the folders. So let me show you how to hide the app button from the dock bar on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So first you want to go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, you're opening up the Home Up module. Go ahead and tap on Home Screen. Now go ahead and scroll down and find this option here, Move Apps button. So you can freely move the apps button to move to the home screen or folders area in addition to the favorite area. So turn this feature on, press Home. Now go ahead and try to move this app button, and I'll go ahead and move it in one of the folders. And this basically hides it. Now you can go ahead and add another button here. So this basically lets you tailor the interface around your habits, making the phone work for you, not the other way around. So there you go, guys. That is how to move the app button from the dock bar on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.